Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Sausage Man onto your phone, no jailbreak. So as you can see, I got 99,000 money, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So it's really easy. Basically, just go to this website called hexmods.com and then go to the search bar and find Sausage Man. Press on it, press the download button, and you're good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you go to the search bar, type in Sausage Man, you can see it's a very expensive game. So that's why I don't really like play this type of game, but now I got the mod, so I'm good. But as you can see, guys, here it is, and it's just way too expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try this out for yourself, because it's super insane, guys, and it fully works. So peace out, guys, because this is super crazy, and it's totally updated. So if you're poor, guys, be sure to try this method out, because it's actually working. You can get free candies, guys, so it's super cool. So yeah, this is really weird, honestly, that this even exists, but hey, I guess they were trying to come up with a mod, and they succeeded, which is epic. So I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is super awesome, and it's totally working as well, so pretty cool. So yeah. All you have to do is go to this HexMod site and then just type in sausage and you're all set. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is super cool and it's totally working and everything. So if you're poor or something, like, be sure to try us out. I'm always like coming out with new videos and stuff, so if you're poor or something, then you're probably gonna like what I'm making for you. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. It's totally working and everything. So I'll see you guys tomorrow and enjoy this. It's updated and everything, so I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out.